Hello everyone. In today's video, I'm sharing how to knit a beautiful, super easy pattern. If you need something simple but want to add some texture to it, then this one is for you. The pattern consists of 2 stitches and 4 rows. We're going to decrease the 3 to 1 stitch while keeping the center stitch in front to get that waffle texture. Toward the conclusion of the video, I will demonstrate how to knit this design in the round. So if you have some spare time, grab your knitting needles and some yarn, and give it a try with me. We start on the wrong side with an even number of stitches plus 1 for symmetry and 2 edge loops. The first row is on the wrong side. After slipping the edge loop, we will knit according to the scheme that you can find in the upper left corner of the screen. We repeat what is in square brackets. Knit 1, yarn over, purl 1, yarn over. Again, knit 1, yarn over, purl 1, yarn over. Finish the row with 1 knit stitch for symmetry and an edge loop, which I am used to knitting through the back. The second row is on the right side. This is the main row in the pattern. Slip the edge loop and purl 1. In the next 3 loops, we are going to decrease the 3 to 1 stitch while keeping the center stitch in front. Slip the first and second loops as if you were about to knit them. As a result, the second stitch became the first. Knit the third. Grab the first 2 loops with the left hook, push the third in through them, and finally drop them. Again, purl 1 and decrease the 3 to 1 stitch. Purl 1 and decrease the 3 to 1 stitch. Finish the row with 1 purl stitch for symmetry and an edge loop. The third row is on the wrong side. After the edge loop, purl every stitch until the end of the row. The fourth row is on the right side. After the edge loop, knit every stitch until the end of the row. Repeat these 4 rows until you reach the desired length. When knitting in the round, all rows are on the right side. There are no symmetry stitches or edge stitches. We start with an even number of loops. On the first row, the repeat pattern is purl 1, yarn over, knit 1, yarn over. On the second row, repeat, purl 1 and decrease the 3 to 1 stitch. On the third row, knit every stitch until the end of the row. On the fourth row, knit every stitch until the end of the row. This is all for today. I have demonstrated how to create a well-structured knit with a lovely texture. This technique is perfect for blouses, cardigans, and sweaters for every season. I hope you find this knitting technique helpful for your future projects, and I highly recommend it. If you found the video helpful, please click the thumbs up button. Also, don't forget to subscribe to the channel and enable notifications so you never miss a video. Click my Knit Knot Space Shop icon or the link in the description below the video to see my knit creations and get them for yourself or as a gift. Thank you for being a part of this, and I am excited to see you soon.